everybody. Welcome back to anatomy. Just giving you a Chester check-in. He is still very large and sassy and very much doesn't like to be on camera. But I hope that you are well. He's a very good kitty. So today you got like 4 things to do. Thing number 1 is to watch this video. Thing number 2, let's see if I can make this smaller. Yeah. Thing number 2, do a cardiovascular review Kahoot. It is 4 points, so make sure that you use a name that I know you by. You can consider this to be your practice quiz. So instead of you doing 2 Google Forms of quizzes, which sounds boring, the first part of it is just a Kahoot. I think there are 16 questions. Take note of the questions that you miss and then go back and watch old videos and look at old notes for review. So all of those videos and notes should be hopefully, I think, on these 2 days. Yeah. Well, these 2 also have blood types on them, okay? So it's blood and the heart. So go back and figure out what you missed and then take your cardiovascular quiz. If we were doing mastery, this would be your mastery quiz, but since it's not mastery, it's worth practice points, 16 practice points. It's the real deal, so take your time and be careful with your answers. And then last thing is your cardiovascular IP number 2 upload. It's just a Google form to upload your IP. I have office hours from 1 to 2 p.m. I would love to see you if you have questions, if you need clarification. I'll even dig Chester out of his nap time if you'd like to see the cat. I hope that you're all well. I miss you all terribly. I am looking forward to seeing your breakfast on Friday. I can't wait to see your faces. So email me, come to office hours, ask questions, review before you take that quiz. See you later.